Hey, what's up guys? It's Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got these super cute passion twists, doing them on my own. This is my first time and I think they came out great, so keep watching. So for this video, I'm going to be using the rubber band method to do my passion twist. So I used the Shine and Jam conditioning hold gel and I apply that as I'm parting my hair. I already parted the back, but I wanted to show you guys the front, so I just apply that gel. It helps you get like that sleek look that we all want with any kind of protective style. And then I just like to twist that around and I go in and apply the rubber bands. I know a lot of people like the rubber band method, but then there's other people who don't like it because they say that it is potentially damaging to your hair. The great thing is that these rubber bands are super stretchy and they don't tug or pull, and they're made out of material that kind of gives you a little bit of slip, so you don't have to apply any oil or anything with these. So I just apply that, tighten it, and then I keep going with the rest of my parting process. So I'm just going to fast forward here, showing you guys this is the first step that I took to doing my passion twist. So I go through and I'm just parting the rest of my head, doing this same rubber band method all throughout my whole head. I thought this would be the easiest method for me because I've never tried to do any sort of protective style like this, and I wanted to make sure that it was sleek and worth all the hours that I knew I was going to put into doing this. So I originally wanted to do knotless box braids, but I was like, I think the passion twist will be a little bit more manageable. So I continued this process until my whole head is rubber banded, and that is what this clip is showing here. So for this style, I'm going to be using the Tiana Passion Twist pre-twisted hair, and this is what the hair looks like. It's in the color 1B-T27 and it's a really nice color. So I'm just going to go in and crochet these twist in. So you take your crochet needle, you go underneath the rubber band, making sure the hook is open. You're going to place your hair on that hook, close the latch, and then pull the twist through. Then you're going to open the loop of that twist and then pull your real hair and the rest of the twist through, as I'm showing right here. So that's how you crochet the twist end, and I'm just going to continue this process. So I kind of did it in 3 steps. One was the rubber band, step 2 was the crochet, and then step 3 was going back in and twisting my hair in with the twist. I will say this probably wasn't the most time efficient way of doing this, but I felt like it was the most beginner friendly. So I'm going back in and crocheting this again, open the latch, put the hair on, close the latch, pull through, undo the loop, pull your hair and the twist through, and you're done. Okay, so now we're moving on to the final step of the process, which is combining my real hair within the pre-twisted hair. So I'm applying the Shine and Jam gel all throughout my hair just so it's as sleek as possible, and I find that this helps with flyaways. So what you're going to do is you're going to unravel the top part of the passion twist. Unravel it and separate your real hair into two pieces. So that's what I'm doing right here, and this is all in real time. You can tell even though I was at the top of my head, it still took some practice. So I'm just gonna go and unravel the hair in the opposite direction of the twist, combine my hair with those twists, and as you can see, I'm twisting my hair in and re-twisting. The great thing about the pre-twisted hair is that you don't have to twist all the way down. And also I liked it from the standpoint of that because it was my first time, it helped make sure that all of my twists were like the same size. So that was great. So I'm just twisting all the way down to the bottom. And then once you get down to the bottom, sometimes I would apply like some shine jam gel to make sure that none of my hair was sticking out to control any flyaways. And then I just would twist the ends like I'm doing right here. And that is it for the twist. So I'm just going to continue doing this all throughout the rest of my head. Shine and jam gel, separate my real hair into two pieces, unravel the twist, and then retwist my hair into it about halfway down, and then you're done. And then here your girl was feeling herself and how it was turning out. I was so happy. So I had to take, a little praise break of acknowledgement. And then I'm back into it, wrapping up these last few twists. So one thing I did do after I finished all of the twists was I made sure to go back in and fix some of the areas where I felt like it just wasn't as clean, or like where the twist, my hair kind of gotten a little poofy on some of the twists. So I went through and kind of touched everything up. And I know one of the questions you're probably wondering about as you're watching this video is how long it took me, which is way too long. I would say I took a lot of breaks. So I started like mid-afternoon and finished the next day. And then in terms of how long it lasted, I would say about a week and a half before I felt like it was just too fuzzy to keep wearing. I actually still have these twists in my hair now, and I'm going to take them out today. So here we are, almost the final look, but I needed a side part. I'm a side part girl, so I flipped it over, made my side part, and then you have to finish off with some nice slick swoop edges. So I'm gonna go in and do that. I use the Style Factor Edge Booster to lay down my edges. That just works the best for me. You can also use this the Shine and Jam gel if you want to use that as well, but I prefer the edge booster for edges. So I'm just going in, creating my swoops. So once I was done with my edges, I added in some of these little jewels. I have no idea why I even had these jewels at my house, because I've never really done a hairstyle that would use them. But since I had them, I was like, let's use them and kind of zhuzh it up and make it super cute. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it came out. I was definitely feeling myself. And I thought I did a pretty good job on the parting as well, which was like the hardest part. But let me know what you guys thought of this video down in the comment box below. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!